Hello, in today's video I'll demonstrate how to automatically as well as manually empty the dustbin on your DREAME Aqua10 Ultra. You need to know that it's done automatically after a cleaning session as long as it's set in the settings to do that automatically. It's done by default, so if you've changed it, you can change it back. I think there's also a video on our channel on it, on how to change those settings of auto emptying, like auto emptying frequency and so on. Now, there's also, you can also like induce it manually by pressing on the in the app. In the app, you can just go to the dock button. Let me show you the app. Here it is. You should see everything now. When you click on dock button, you can now select auto empty. I'll demonstrate.
Start auto empty.
As you can hear, it is quite loud, but it takes a fairly short time. After that, it typically automatically starts dust bag drying, which dries the dust bag to prevent mold, which is really great. But you can also do it manually by clicking on dust bag drying. It takes about 10 hours, so I won't do it now, but that's how it works. And you can also stop it from the app if you don't want it. Now let's empty the dustbin manually just in case, and it's also important to know how to do it in case you want to clean the filter, because you should. I'd recommend like every 2-3 months to clean your filter. Now I'll just remove my robot from the station, so I'll like slide it out.
Start cleaning. Low water level in the clean water tank. Please add water.
Okay, because I don't want to do it manually to take it out because it's just very inconvenient, so I'll just switch to vacuum only mode and start it.
Start cleaning.
And then I'll just pause the robot.
Pause.
And now we can lift the cover. This is the cover, it's magnetically attached, so it's easy to lift. Then you'll find the dustbin here. Now there's a button right here that you need to press, so it's best to just squeeze like that, and you can take out the whole dustbin. Then, in order to open it, you will need to find this button right here on the side. As you can see, it opens right away. You can now remove the filter. It is worth cleaning it, so in order to clean it, all you need to do is rinse it with water and make sure it dries on air, preferably also in the sun, for at least 24 hours, so it doesn't do any mold. And of course, then you can empty the dustbin like so. And that's it. That's basically all you need to do here. Let's put the filter back in, like so it doesn't move. Close it, put it back into the robot. Now we can close the lid and I'll make it return to the station. I'll also show you how to remove the dust bag. To do it, open the door right here on the dock station. Then there's the dust bag right here. I'll try to rotate it for a moment. There's a tab that you simply need to pull forward and it will automatically remove the dust bag. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.